Yeah.
Alright, man, we had to come back to the wall, just do another short video. I'm going to go harder this time, because last time I went light, they tried to say I ain't have no flow, so I'm going to hush all that talk up right now, alright? But yo, I'm passing out shots like a bartender. I'm the reason why niggas still wrapped up, like we having a long winter. This ain't a fair fight, I just spar with you. I posted up like a tall center, waiting for the alley, who wanna ball with them. And these chicks, y'all cuffing them, taking them out to a long dinner, and for what? As soon as you turn around, my whole squad's in her. I mean, she wanna chill with sports, come home with me, watch Sports Center. An hour later, hands in my pants, trying to get the Sports Center. But off that, let's talk about your team and how all of them singing. Y'all are grouped like Blackstreet. I will bust your head to that white meat that's all over that black street. I mean, the slowest nigga can turn into Usain Bolt, but this ain't a track meet. Frontliner in this game, all you lames take a back seat. Get some business about yourself. Y'all talking too much. You sound like a bunch of sorority sisters. When the flash is in your face, ain't nobody posing for pictures. My attitude's sour. Only thing sweet is the swishers. I come to your home, make you feel like a visitor. Lakers versus Clippers. I mean, I just walked in, strapped up like a jam sport. Damn, I just walked in, strapped up like a jam sport. I'm about my paper. I ain't got time for no damn court. If you ain't got one, I guess you and your man short. You ain't got my paper. I cut off your lights like a landlord. I mean, damn, y'all. Y'all see me going hard like a porn flick. I'm not a blood or a crip. I'm a leader of my own shit. I got the gift of gab. That's the style I was born with. Left hand holding, but I got a right guard like that stuff under my armpit. And niggas ain't gonna give me props for this. I'm from a city where everybody is jealous. It's like some type of disease, but it's cool with me. As long as you haters talk about fame, just know, oh, you can't hold him. Kobe's number. I'm coming with that 2-4. I will explode them. Anybody fake, my goal to expose them. The way I break down these bars. Need a membership at Gold's Gym. Motherfucker. Cut that off.